How's it going, everybody? Weird Hairline here once again. Just taking a nice little walk through Pennsylvania nature, enjoying the silence and the fresh air. It's just, oh, what the? What? Oh my God! What the? Ah, every time, dude. Every time. Dude, what the heck, bro?
Oh, I lost her.
Just trying to enjoy my Sunday afternoon.
I apologize, but the lake is frozen over and we might be able to ride over it.
We're out here in the Pennsylvania backcountry, you know. I'm an enduro rider now, a pit bike enduro rider. And yeah, I mean, we're out here. We got some nice hills, riverbeds, you know. We got a rock crawler. So, I mean, might as well just try to go up them, you know.
No front brake.
I'm a hill climb guy now, and no front brake still. Slacking.
What? We don't need it.
Yeah, as we said before, you don't want to stop when like you get stuck, you know, and you have to go back down the hill.
The reason you're probably stuck is because you hit your front brake.
Yeah.
Didn't hit your brake, you wouldn't have stopped.
Idiots. Andrew is new to the professional pit bike hill climbing scene, so I'm gonna show him the lines real fast. You know, I gotta get him set up so he can learn the ropes, and then we could start backflipping. You know, up the hills, not flipping it out, just like actually landing it. You know.
Really?
Yeah, because you have so much speed when you go up to the top, you gotta do a trick. You're not struggling to get up. But here you go, sir. I'll show you the rope. We're gonna rock crawl on through there and... What the heck? Oh, the gimbal is angry. Stop! Okay, it's angry at me. Well... Alright, what do you think, bro? You got the first leg of the journey here?
Nothing. That's nothing to me. I'm too good.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. He skipped a step. Very graceful through the pricker bushes. I didn't think you were gonna go for the full journey here.
Well, I forgot that you slide on leaves easy.
Yeah, you did a nice re-entry into the pricker bushes.
Yeah, that was. I had to take the harder path, I think.
On the course, we're live. First preview. Here it comes. Oh, no it doesn't. Almost went down. Oh!
Damn it!
What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to hit the left track, bro. It's hard.
Here, let me put this down.
Pass it off here.
Can I have the goggles?
No.
Wait, I'm gonna show him how it's done real fast. You know, I'm a professional hill climb pit bike rider now. So. This re-entry might be a little difficult. Yeah, I'm pro. Think you got that, bro?
Just hit it in like second the whole time, or what?
Yeah, that's a second one. Oh! Look at that. Yeah, he blazed right through.
I don't need to do all this. Faster is going straight.
I enjoy the turns. I thought you would enjoy the turns too. What's going on, dude?
Super hard to see the trail, and also these things are just smacking me
Yeah.
in the this and like leaving crap in my hand.
A lot of prickers.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah, it's good for you. Yeah.
That was quick.
I like it. Moving along. Try something harder?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know if he's ready, boys. I don't know if he's ready. I'll meet you at the bottom. Yay.
Wow. Woodward camp is so sick.
Alright, you want to see round 2? Or round 3? Round 2.5. Follow me. Alright. Here we have round 2.5. It's hard. There ain't no traction. I try my best, professional pit bike hill climb rider, so we're gonna get it done, you know?
Send it.
Ooh. Oh boy. I'm surprised I made that first go. Think you got it?
Yeah.
You gonna give her a go at least?
Yeah, I'll give it a go. Really? Are you kidding me?
You
That was
almost made
like
it.
so good, and then the back tire slid into a hole. Dang it.
There you go. Oh! Oh my god. Oh no, I missed it. Oh, I didn't think the tree was gonna block it. I got blocked by a tree. I didn't think you were gonna go up at that spot. That was good. You made it.
I told you I could.
You want to get another run so I can see it? Alright, I'm gonna get the top view so I don't freaking miss it. Oh! I got you.
You don't need to put that part in the video. That's okay.
Alright, I needed a second angle anyway.
Alright. Yeah, that's not going in the video. Andrew almost got taken out by a tree. Wow.
Alright, I believe in you. This is the one.
Easy.
I mean, you already did it once, but I missed it, kind of.
Get out of the way, Jay. You're in my way. Jay, get out of my way. I didn't want to hit you, bro. I was about to do a sweet flip.
Oh.
Round 4. Let me tell you this much, right?
Yeah.
Jay is good at this. And that part right there sucks. I hate that part.
It's deep. This right here is like pretty much sand. It's so soft you don't have any traction.
You just go through it so fast, and I'm just like slipping on and sliding and dipping and dabbing. And
It's just that left corner before it, you have to carry like all your momentum.
It sucks.
Get this out of the way. Oh. Spot mod. Alright. Yo.
Jay, I think that I have thorns in me.
Can we try the...
Yep.
Oh, you're gonna watch me struggle on this one. Oh boy. This one's scary. This isn't my original idea, but this is Andrew's suggestion.
Right here.
That's steep. That be steep.
Why not?
Let's do some maintenance first.
Alright. I'll film you doing maintenance.
What the heck?
Nice throw. Good technique.
Come on! Alright. That's stupid. Just freaking do it. Stupid. Maintenance is for idiots. Especially on this thing. Changing the oil is for pansies. Okay, I should have done more maintenance.
Not bad.
You got a little lost and stuck.
Yeah, not bad.
And I got whacked in the face with something. That didn't go as well as I wanted it to. Round 2, here we go.
I had to kick the rock into the creek.
And I'm starting to question how possible this is. It's difficult.
Looks tough. On to the next one or what?
I think the other one's even harder. This is the next stop here. We got a wall up to a little ledge and then somehow get all the way up there. Andrew wants to take the first whack at this one.
Obviously, no maintenance done. Don't need it. Just like a front brake.
Oh! It happened. Are the bars bent or no?
No, they're good.
Oh, that's good.
I'm sorry, Jay.
No, I don't mind. I knew it was gonna happen at some point to somebody.
I think I should do it again.
Go a little faster.
Yeah, I tried to just gas her at the last second.
You did the backflip we talked about though.
I know, I was trying to throw the tuck no hander in there, but it was so hard.
Oh. Strong man.
Dang, that's so hard.
You want another whirl?
No, you can take the reins.
Okay. There's gas pouring out of everything.
Good luck. It hurts my head to do that.
Oh, the shifter got a little bent.
Ah. Looks like we need a new unbreakable flexible shifter. Jay, good luck. Honestly, this one sucks. I'm also taking a terrible angle, but this is so steep. That was insane. Dang, that was a 2-striker.
So much gas leaks out of this thing. Oh! Wait, I'm still going! I don't know where I'm going though. No.
Nowhere.
I might be able to make it. I don't know though. What? Oh, that bent the shit out of the bar.
Really? Well, good thing we needed new ones anyway, huh?
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Let's go see. If I can't perform my stunts now,
Dude.
however am I gonna go pro?
Oh my god. It's a Harley. I was not expecting that. I've heard they were like questionable, but we've fallen pretty hard and nothing's happened.
Yeah, we've taken some good spills.
That almost cracked all the way through.
Well, you straight made it do a backflip onto the handlebar. What do you expect?
I didn't mean to. Well, I guess that's all she wrote. Be sure to get your Dalton Bend bars coming soon to your local shop. SSR, send me another bike because I broke the handlebars. I need another one. Andrew needs one. Andrew's out here whipping my bike. He's a professional hill climb and corner rider.
I kind of just proved myself today, I guess. This one has yet to be tackled, but I mean, there's always room to improve, you know?
He's privateer. That's unbelievable.
You know, my local sponsor, Jay Dalton, lets me ride his bike.
Yeah.
And films me, you know, edits my clips. Shout out to him.
Yeah. I guess I'll see you next time it's 50 degrees again in December, and next time I have bars. It smells like gas. See you next time.
Give her a nice little toss.
No, then I might break more stuff.
It's okay. SSR will send us more. Hello.
They funny.